This is my smile before I went to North Oaks Dental. And this is my smile since I've been here. I didn't realize how bad a problem I had. I had a previous implant when I was 32, and I'm 79. And it was certainly an old-fashioned one. I didn't realize that there was decay under there. And he took x-rays and showed it to me. And it was much more extensive than either one of us knew until he got in there. That was a bit frightening because he had to pull, instead of just one tooth, he had to take out 4. Help me, teach me what to do to help it heal. And it was a long process, but certainly worth the while. It was almost like major surgery to me, what I had done. And the care was followed up. Their concern over me was genuine, and I felt very comfortable. It was very comfortable. There was a little pressure in some instances putting them together. Outside of that, it was wonderful. The one quality I have that I love is I'm always complimented on my smile. Everybody says you have a beautiful smile. And to have lost that would have been a real killer for me. So, and he knew that. So we approached it as what he should do. The second implant was wonderful. It's beautiful. The first implant was one of the first ones done. My doctor had, he said, I don't know if it'll last a year, it'll last 10 years. It was back many years ago. And it lasted all this time. But eventually I outlived the implant, unfortunately. So anyway, I'm very pleased with the new implants. The professionalism is outstanding. The people are friendly, you feel like you're family. And Dr. DeBole is absolutely amazing as a dentist. Nobody hurts me. So that's why I come back.